Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI, and it is the season of bugs and we're outdoors a lot, so you're gonna need bug prevention. And I really like this Off Smooth and Dry. So it works like a typical bug repellent. You just spray it, super easy and quick to apply, which I appreciate, especially when applying it to my kids because they're always in a hurry. But what I like about this is it's got a nice scent for a bug spray and it doesn't feel oily or greasy. I mean, nobody really is thrilled about wearing bug spray, but it's a necessity. And if you've got to do it, I would definitely get this one because it's the most pleasant of all the bug spray smells that I have ever tried. And it doesn't make you feel grimy. So I would definitely pick it up for the summer. It comes in a 2-pack, which is perfect. We keep one in our house and one in our camper. So I think you'll like it, and it's very effective. And that's my point of view.